In this video, I'll show you how to block on Instagram. If you want to do this, ensure you do it for some good and personal reasons, right? And purposes. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notifications to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to Instagram. This works both on PC and on smartphones. So watch what I'm going to show you right now. So this, let's say someone's profile, and if you love to do this for any reasons, you're going to see the three dotted icons right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see this, right? Once you tap on it, you'd be you'll get this notification. They won't be able to find, so just click on it right away. So yeah, just once you have clicked on it, you can see it, right? So I think I just did this. So this is basically how you can do this here on your Instagram. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the next one.